What if animals weren't just living creatures, but brilliant machines built with precision and packed with artificial intelligence? From the depths of the ocean to the rugged hills, robotic animals are changing how we study nature, explore the world, and even entertain ourselves. These machines are more than just flashy tech. They're reshaping science, conservation, and mobility in ways we never imagined. Mondo Spider. At first glance, the Mondo Spider looks like something straight out of sci-fi nightmare, a metal creature creeping along on spider-like legs. But behind its eerie motion is a clever mechanism called a clan linkage, which blends the walking motion of legs with the precision of wheels, giving it remarkable stability and control. Originally made from wood, the Mondo Spider has evolved over the years into a steel and battery-powered marvel. It's even been called the world's first zero-emission walking vehicle. Designed more for public engagement than industrial use, it's a captivating symbol of clean technology meeting mechanical art. Quadroin. Inspired by the graceful motion of real penguins, Quadroin is a robotic swimmer built for serious scientific missions. It can dive to depths of 150 meters, gather oceanic data, and operate for 10 hours on a single charge. With a top speed of 5 kilometers per hour, it glides through water almost like the real thing. But it's more than just a swimmer. Quadroin comes equipped with HD cameras, sonar, and environmental sensors that monitor temperature, pressure, and oxygen levels. It can even carry extra equipment up to 3 kilograms. Whether mapping the seafloor or tracking marine life, Quadroin is like a penguin with a PhD in oceanography. Slothbot. Unlike most robots designed for speed or efficiency, Slothbot takes things slow on purpose. Designed to monitor environmental conditions like CO2 levels and weather patterns, Slothbot hangs from a cable system, moving only when necessary to find sunlight for its solar-powered panels. Tested at the Atlanta Botanical Garden, Slothbot can remain stationary for days or even months, conserving energy and gathering long-term climate data. Its design mimics a sloth's behavior, making it perfect for ecosystems that require minimal disruption. In a world obsessed with speed, Slothbot proves that slow and steady can still win the race. Coro the robotic horse. Coro isn't just a robotic horse, it's the world's first hydrogen-powered, AI-driven equine machine. Designed by Kawasaki, Coro can move its hind legs independently from the front, allowing it to navigate rocky terrain with surprising grace. It adjusts its stride based on the surface it's walking on, much like a real horse, making it ideal for long-distance travel. But Coro isn't just about utility, it's built for carrying both goods and people. With a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour and a 150 cubic centimeters hydrogen engine, this concept bot is designed for endurance and eco-friendly performance. Though still in the prototype stage, it offers a glimpse into a future where robotic mounts could be a real transportation option. Charlie. Charlie is a robotic monkey engineered with impressive balance and agility, mimicking primates like never before. Developed with funding from the German Aerospace Center, it can walk on all fours and even stand upright on 2 legs. Whether it's climbing uneven surfaces or recovering from a fall, Charlie adapts like a real animal in the wild. What makes it even more fascinating is its flexible spine, which helps it twist and turn naturally. This agility makes Charlie a strong candidate for future missions to the moon or other rugged terrains where traditional wheeled robots may struggle. It's a perfect example of how biomimicry is driving the future of space exploration. Robotic Dolphin. Faced with strict animal import laws, a dolphinarium in China took a bold leap. They replaced live dolphins with a hyper-realistic robotic dolphin built by Edge Innovations in New Zealand. This lifelike marvel cost about $60 million, but is cheaper to maintain than a real dolphin and doesn't require training or climate control. This robotic dolphin can perform in water for up to 10 hours per charge and is controlled by an operator. It's so convincing, audiences often can't tell the difference. This innovation is not only more ethical, but also opens a new chapter in entertainment and marine education without harming wildlife. Grand Elephant. In the French city of Nantes, the birthplace of Jules Verne, a massive 48-ton wooden robotic elephant strolls through streets, offering tourists a once-in-a-lifetime ride. Known as the Grand Elephant, this majestic mechanical beast carries up to 50 people and stands 12 meters tall, giving passengers a panoramic view as it walks. It's not fast, with a top speed of just 3 kilometers per hour, but it captures imaginations with its sheer size and lifelike motion. Crafted from wood and powered by hydraulics, the Grand Elephant is more than a spectacle. It's a celebration of mechanical artistry and creativity that turns a casual ride into a storybook journey. Robotic Whale Shark. At Shanghai's Haichong Ocean Park, visitors were stunned by the debut of the world's first robotic whale shark. While some thought it was a gimmick, it was built out of necessity. Chinese law prohibits whale shark capture, so this lifelike replacement allowed the park to educate and entertain without breaking the law. The 4.7-meter robot can dive 10 meters, open and close its mouth, move its gills, and swim with remarkable realism. It works both autonomously and via remote control, offering a safe, high-tech alternative to using real marine animals. It's not just a showpiece, it's a statement on how robotics can preserve nature by replicating it. ELS Snake Robot for Space Exploration. Exploring icy alien worlds like Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons, demands a new kind of robot. Meet ELS. This 4-meter-long, 100-kilogram robotic snake was built specifically for extreme environments. Its body is made up of 10 independently rotating segments with spiral elements, giving it the flexibility to crawl, burrow, and even drill through ice. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, ELS can assess terrain, choose the best route, and even collect core samples beneath icy crusts. Designed to function in temperatures as low as -200 degrees Celsius, this robot could be the key to discovering life beyond Earth. It's not just space-ready, it's space-hungry. XFLY. XFLY is a marvel of biomimicry, combining the elegance of birds with the agility of insects. What sets it apart is its unique wing-flapping mechanism that works in harmony with a built-in gyroscope system, unaffected by the movement of its wings. This allows it to fly with incredible stability, both indoors and outdoors. Controlled by a smartphone or remote using just one hand, XFLY can reach speeds of 20 kilometers per hour with a 12-minute flight time. It's even caught the attention of the French military, though its toy-like design makes it just as appealing to consumers. With a starting price of just $135, it brings futuristic flight tech within everyone's reach. Centauro. Centauro is not just a cool name, it's a serious search and rescue robot with a body inspired by a mythological centaur. With 4 multi-jointed legs and 2 strong arms, Centauro can walk over rough terrain, clear debris, and even break down barriers to reach trapped victims. Each of its arms can lift up to 11 kilograms, and its battery powers around 2.5 hours of operation. Funded by the European Commission, Centauro is being trained to walk, climb, and maneuver in disaster zones where humans can't go safely. Whether it's an earthquake or industrial collapse, Centauro might one day be the hero in the rubble. Manta Droid. With a sleek design inspired by the majestic manta ray, the Manta Droid is a robotic swimmer built for marine exploration. Developed to glide underwater with minimal disruption, it uses natural motions to mimic real manta rays, moving gracefully through the ocean at 2.5 kilometers per hour for up to 10 hours. But it's more than just elegant. The Manta Droid is packed with sensors and data-gathering tools, making it ideal for scientific research and underwater rescue missions. Its quiet movement and natural shape allow it to blend in with sea life, giving researchers a better way to observe ecosystems without disturbing them. SPD-1. Tiny but mighty, SPD-1 is a sewer inspection robot that's smaller than a soccer ball and weighs just 3.5 kilograms. Japan faces a major labor shortage, and robots like SPD-1 are stepping in to take over essential maintenance tasks. This little guy can navigate complex pipes, inspect for defects, and even perform repairs on the go. Working solo or in a trio, SPD-1 is a team player. One leads the way, another scans for damage, and the third handles repairs, making the process efficient and accurate. As infrastructure ages and maintenance becomes more critical, robots like SPD-1 might soon be the unsung heroes beneath our cities. Kabuto RX03. The Kabuto RX03 is a jaw-dropping feat of solo engineering. Built entirely by one man, 60-year-old Japanese engineer Hitoshi Takahashi, this giant robotic beetle stretches 11 meters long and weighs a staggering 17 tons. It's shaped like the iconic rhinoceros beetle, a symbol of strength in Japanese culture. But this isn't just a statue. The RX03 can move, puff smoke, and even be piloted from the inside like a real mech. Takahashi spent 11 years crafting it by hand, a passion project turned national sensation. It's a living, breathing testament to how one person's vision can become something that rolls, roars, and inspires. From robotic penguins diving into the deep to futuristic centaurs clearing disaster zones, it's clear, nature is no longer just an inspiration, it's becoming the blueprint for the next generation of machines. These robotic animals aren't just cool to watch, they serve a purpose, whether it's in science, rescue, or simply reimagining how we interact with technology. If you enjoyed this journey into the wild world of robotic creatures, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing innovations, and tell us in the comments, which robotic animal would you want to meet in real life? Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.